Museum of Mortality with another unboxing video. This one was sent to us by Miss Vanessa Pope, aka Junkin with Nana. If you get a chance, check her stuff out. She's awesome. She sent us this package because she had sent another one and it was too full to include all these fun, neat things. So I'm gonna open everything up. Of course, I didn't use scissors on TikTok because don't want to get in trouble. Inside was 3 amazing little packages, and here we go. The first one I undid had a bunch of these postcards in it, and these were for the state laboratory in Raleigh, the health department, and they were all sorts of cards asking for different things from lab equipment to testing kits to vaccinations and antitoxins for all sorts of things. This was an amazing stack. I don't even know how many is actually here. The other package in it had more of the herbs, the little